Hey, and welcome to the Tech Admin channel. Today I want to show you how to install WhatsApp right in your computer so that you can share your files directly from your computer and just be much faster at typing when you're chatting with somebody. So WhatsApp is one of the most popular platforms out there for communication, and because it's free, naturally people really tend to like that, and you can talk to your friends all across the globe. But what most people don't know is that there is a desktop application, and there are some specific benefits to having it on your desktop. So let's see how we can download that. So just go in here and type in the word store. You can go straight to your Microsoft Store, and in the search, just type in WhatsApp. And hit the Get button. Wait for it to load. It may take a moment. And once it has loaded, just hit the Launch button. So this is what it's going to look like when it first opens. What it's trying to do, it wants you to take your phone out and match these two accounts now together to make sure this is really you. So how would you do that? Basically, just have to follow the instructions over here. So take out your phone and hit the WhatsApp button. Once you have that open, click on the three dots in the right-hand corner and go to WhatsApp Web. Now, once this has loaded, you will be able to pair up the devices. So what you'll want to do is click the plus sign in the top right corner, and that will open up your camera. So just scan the code, and the devices will be linked in 1 second. All right, so now that you have paired it up, you will see that all of your existing conversations are already here. And you will notice that there is one limitation to this, and that is that you can't actually make phone calls through here. But what you can do is you can chat a whole lot faster through this than you would be able to do on your phone. And the other thing is you can attach multiple files, and it's just much easier. Say I don't know, maybe you went on a trip and you want to send a bunch of pictures to your friends. Now you can do that right away from here rather than having to transfer it first to your phone. The other thing is you can drag and drop files like this. Here is a picture of kittens. I'm sure that my mom would really like this. And just hit send like you normally would, and off it goes. Now this is really great if you have your own computer with you and you just want to use it there. But what if you're maybe in a public library and you just want to use it really quickly there and still maybe just type a lot faster? So instead of having to download it, which you may not even have the right permissions to do, you can use their web version. So just go to web.whatsapp.com and follow the instructions like you would have just in the previous version there, and you'll be able to do all of the same things right on the web. I hope this makes your typing and your communications with your friends and family just a little bit easier. And if you find that it does help, hit thumbs up and share this with your friends and family so that you can talk to them just a little bit faster and share your files maybe just a little bit better. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you here next week. Bye!